Thank you, Madam. Dear colleagues, first of all, allow me to disagree with those saying that we are not able to deliver EU-wide response to the financial crisis. We are responded by bold actions at national levels where it was needed. Because our national financial markets differ, we have a room for manoeuvre in stress times, taking into account the different level and scope of our financial markets in member states. In Vilnius, we do not have city. So our reaction is different. Somehow, I am not surprised that Commission proposals are based on needs of cross-border financial groups. I am a member of the Parliament for 5 years. What surprises me is that the Commission cannot figure out that the model of these cross-border groups cannot survive during downturns in the economy, and we are witnessing it right now. Business leaders have to come up with plans to modernize their model by adding flexibility at the subsidiary levels to reflect the diversity of needs of EU real economy. EU supervision and regulation system has to ensure the smooth restructuring of financial industry. And starting point for reform has to be an answer to the question, which treasury shall pay for bailout bill at the end? This is in the interest of stability of the whole European Union. However, I would like to ask my colleagues not to forget one small neighbour of the European Union which is closely related to us, Iceland, and we left them alone. So, thank you.